Capybara. The capybara is a large, semi-aquatic rodent native to South America. It is the largest rodent in the world and can weigh up to 140 pounds, 64 kilograms, and reach a length of 4 feet, 1.2 meters. Capybaras are social animals and are often found in groups of up to 20 individuals. They are herbivores and primarily feed on grasses and aquatic plants. They are excellent swimmers and can remain submerged in water for up to 5 minutes. Capybaras are also able to run on land at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour. In some areas of South America, capybaras are hunted for their meat and fur. They are also sometimes kept as pets, although this is not legal in all parts of the world. Capybaras have a relatively long lifespan for a rodent, typically living for around 8-10 years in their wild, and up to 12 years in captivity with proper care. However, some individuals have been known to live into their late teens. The lifespan of a capybara can be affected by factors such as predation, disease, and habitat loss due to human activity. Capybaras in captivity can have longer lifespans due to the absence of these threats, as well as access to veterinary care and a consistent food source. Capybaras are social animals and are usually found in groups called herds or bands, which can consist of up to 20 individuals. They are known to be very peaceful animals, and members of the herd will often groom each other and sleep in piles to keep warm. Capybaras are also very vocal animals and use a variety of sounds, such as barks, whistles, and grunts, to communicate with each other. As herbivores, capybaras spend much of their time grazing on grasses and aquatic plants. They are excellent swimmers and are able to remain submerged in water for several minutes at a time. In fact, they will often retreat to the water to escape predators or to regulate their body temperature in hot weather. Capybaras are generally docile animals, but they can become aggressive if they feel threatened or if their young are in danger. They have strong jaws and sharp teeth that they can use to defend themselves. However, capybaras are not typically considered a danger to humans and are generally considered to be gentle and friendly animals. This content may violate our content policy. If you believe this to be in error, please submit your feedback. Your input will aid our research in this area. Capybaras are polygynous, which means that males will mate with multiple females during the breeding season. The breeding season can vary depending on the location and climate, but generally occurs during the rainy season when food and water are more plentiful. Males will compete with each other for access to females by engaging in aggressive behavior, such as chasing and biting. Once a male has established dominance, he will mate with the females in his group. Female capybaras have a gestation period of around 130-150 days, after which they will give birth to a litter of 1-8 pups, with an average litter size of around 4. The newborns are born fully furred and are able to walk and swim within hours of being born. They will nurse from their mother for several weeks before beginning to eat solid food. Capybara mothers are very attentive to their young and will protect them from predators and other threats. Young capybaras will stay with their mother and the herd for several months before striking out on their own or joining a new group. Here are some interesting life facts about capybaras. Number 1. Capybaras are the largest rodents in the world, reaching up to 4 feet, 1.2 meters, in length and weighing up to 140 pounds, 64 kilograms. Number 2. Capybaras are semi-aquatic animals and are excellent swimmers. They can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes and can swim both above and below the water. Number 3. Capybaras are herbivores and primarily feed on grasses and aquatic plants. They have specialized teeth that are adapted for grazing. Number 4. Capybaras are social animals and are usually found in groups of up to 20 individuals. They communicate with each other using a variety of sounds, such as barks, whistles, and grunts. Number 5. Capybaras are native to South America and can be found in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and wetlands. Number 6. Capybaras have a relatively long lifespan for a rodent, living for around 8-10 years in the wild and up to 12 years in captivity. Number 7. Capybaras are sometimes kept as pets, although this is not legal in all parts of the world. In some areas of South America, they are also hunted for their meat and fur. Number 8. Capybaras are important prey animals for a variety of predators, including jaguars, anacondas, and caimans. They have a number of adaptations that help them avoid being hunted, including their ability to run on land and swim in water. Number 9. Capybaras are considered a keystone species in their ecosystem, as they play an important role in shaping the environment through their grazing and browsing habits.